What's up everybody, Fritz here, coming back at you from SVBimmer. The G80 M3 has a look that some BMW enthusiasts just aren't down with. But what we can all be down with is a lower ride height and better handling, which is exactly why we're going to the KW Haas kit for this G80 M3. Let's get into it. The KW Haas kit features chrome silicone steel lowering springs, stainless steel collars with trapezoidal threads, new bump stops, and spanner wrenches. The fronts can be lowered 10 to 25 millimeters, while the rears have 5 to 20 millimeters worth of adjustability. And unlike conventional lowering springs, this kit is designed to work with the OEM struts and wheel load. So expect your car to look and handle better after installation. You'll also retain the factory EDC, so you can continue to easily switch between a sporty or comfortable ride, while lowering your car's center of gravity to improve handling at a fraction of the price of a full coilover set. And rest assured that with a trusted brand like KW, you're getting a quality set of parts. But for that extra peace of mind, you also have the lifetime warranty with the Haas kit. With the front struts removed and OE spring out, you'll notice that we need to remove the OEM spring perch and EDC module. This is where the experience and tools of a BMW specialist come into play. By using the proper press to remove the old perch and install the new ones, we ensure the proper placement of the new perch and removal of the old ones without damaging the OE strut. KW even provided the appropriate mounting point for the EDC module on their perch. And once all that's been sorted out, we can go ahead and install the front struts and move on to the rears. Since the coil and strut are separated in this case, it's a little bit more straightforward. Simply swap out the original components for the KW ones. Just take special care of the EDC connections when you get to that step. Now earlier on in the video we mentioned trapezoidal threads. This basically means the threads were designed in a way to reduce the dirt that gets trapped in them, leading to a smoother experience when you want to change the ride height in the future. But for the initial installation, go ahead and set it to a ride height that you're going to be using for most of your driving. And then you'll be able to enjoy the improved handling and look of your G80 M3 on the KW Haas kit. Now that is fitment we can all be down. And that's not even mentioning the performance gains that we're gonna get from lowering our center of gravity. And as the aesthetic appeal of the G80 continues to grow on us, so does the aftermarket scene. So you can expect more content on the G80 on this channel. But if you want to see other BMWs, let us know which ones down in the comment section below. And if you want to lower your G80, check the description links for the Haas kit. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. And we'll see all of you in the next one.